Xpulse lovers, rejoice, for we have yet another exhaust for your amazing bike. Well, this produces a lot of power, hence is named as the Dash by Gp7, and this has an amazing diameter out here to produce enough amount of velocity at all different RPM ranges. Also has enough amount of diameter here for scavenging and has a great looking exhaust. With a simple and easy to mount interface and also DB killer for riding on street, this will offer the perfect amount of price, practicality and performance for your daily stints. Grab your snout HTRZ mods and enjoy the power of Gp7.